Hey everyone, it's Lisa from moonprismplanner. Welcome back to my channel for another video, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. Either way, thanks for clicking and watching. So today I'm going to be memory planning for the week of August 24th in my medium vertical recollections planner. And this is the kit by Shop Jessica Hearts. So what I do for my memory planning is I will pre-plan the week, and that's what you're seeing right now, all of the pre-plans. Then I will go in day by day and fill in all those blank white spots, and that way it looks more filled in. And I just fill it in with whatever I do during the day. And I'll have the pre-plan link down below, or it'll pop up in the cards if you want to see how I pre-plan in my planner. But anyways, this is how I memory plan. So I'm just going to go in day by day and fill it in. I'm going to start with grabbing a flag from the kit, and then I'm going to also grab a little thing from the kit. But I kind of don't really use those like the way that I guess they were intended. I just kind of use them as like an eighth box or something. So then I'm going to use a Dash of Sun Designs sticker with the shopping bag. That's actually my freebie. You can get that with my code Lisa10 because I PR for her. And I used the little shopping bag for my freebie. And then I'm going to take a chocolate chip cookie from Watercolor Designs, which is another shop that I PR for. That wasn't my freebie though. That was just like an order freebie. Because we went to the Nestle Cafe and got some milkshakes and some cookies from my in-laws. And then with Watercolor Designs, you can use my code Lisa40. Or if you want to save 50%, just join the Facebook group and then get that code there for Facebook group members, and then put Lisa in the notes for my freebie. And we went to Sam's Club, so that's what the shopping bag was for Dash of Sun Designs for that shopping bag. And then I wrote for my gratitude for Monday, I was grateful for a good first day because it was my son's first day of 6th grade, virtual learning. So I was grateful that he had a good first day. And then moving on to Tuesday, I'm going to take a half box from the kit, as well as a present icon from Cozy Paper Co. And then a happy birthday script from Piper Paper Company, just to mark that it was my friend Francesca's birthday. She is a Planner Belle XO on Instagram, and she's an amazing, light, and lovely person. Definitely go check her out if you're not already following. And by the way, I do PR for Cozy Paper Co. Code is Lisa10, or just put Lisa in the notes for my freebie. So I'll just put that in there for her birthday. And then I'm going to take a divider from Simply Watercolor Co. Just like a pretty little dainty bow divider, just to go in between those two those two things. Then I'm going to take a triangle pretty floral box from Crafts by Thaowie. It's not a box, but you know what I mean. And I'm also going to take a stethoscope from the Sticker Genie. Why can't I talk? I'm going to take a stethoscope from the Sticker Genie, who unfortunately is no longer open as far as I know. But I did used to PR for her, so that's why I have some of her stickers still left over. Anyways, so that was just to mark taking my mom to the doctor because, to confess, this was actually pre-planned. I started doing my memory planning, and I included this because I was supposed to take her to the doctor, and I didn't even do it because she ended up rescheduling. And I was like, well, what the hell? I already put it in my planner, and I made it look all cute, and it was for nothing. So this is why I usually like to memory plan instead of pre-plan. I just pre-plan what I know and then memory plan what happens. But, to be fair, it was Tuesday when I filmed it, and I was, it was within a few hours. I was like, I'm going to take her to the doctor today. Might as well put it in, and then she had ended up rescheduling it. So whatever. I'm also going to take a couple of transparent dots from the Giving Girl, and then these little dangly star thingies from the Giving Girl, just over there on the right side, just kind of try and balance it with that awkward white spot over there. I don't know. Just to make it look pretty, you know what I mean? Anyways, I love this sheet. As you can see, I use a ton of these little dangly things. It comes on this clipboard sheet for the Hobo Weeks, but I like the danglies the most. Then I'm going to use a glittered flag label thing from the kit, and then a pumpkin spice latte from Cozy Paper Co. Or I guess it's a coffee cup with a pumpkin on it, so that could be whatever. But I did use that one because the pumpkin spice latte is back at Starbucks, and we had to go and get one. And then I'm just going to take a marker divider or whatever. I don't know what they're called. They're just like dividers from the Giving Girl. But they kind of look like a marker, I guess is why they're called that. Like a mark. You know what I mean? I'm going to take that just to separate that space. And then I'm going to write PSL back because I love my PSL. For my gratitude on Tuesday, I just wrote that I was grateful for smiles and love because I was feeling like a smiley and lovey kind of a kind of lovey day. I don't know. Anyways, moving on to Wednesday. I'm going to go ahead and start with my little checklist because we had a lot of places to go on Wednesday. So I needed to go to Walgreens, We also went to Smith's and Sam's Club because we were just buying some food. And Sam's Club is where we always go to restock our like toilet paper and paper towels and toiletries. And then Walgreens, I just needed to go because they're the only place I can find earplugs that actually don't hurt my ears, because like the regular size little foam earplugs, they're like too big or something because they like give me pain in my ear. And I have to wear earplugs every night. So anyways, that's my little to-do list from the just came in the kit. I'm also going to take another another divider from the Giving Girl, and I don't know what those are called. She's just got different kinds of dividers. Also, I'm going to take this pretty floral divider from Letters to Apollo, and I just thought it looked nice with the kit because it was like, you know, the daisies and stuff, so I don't know, I thought it looked pretty. And I'm going to take a little TV icon doodle from Waltimer Designs, and some little transparent dots from the Giving Girl, because I just love those transparent dots. And that's just to mark that we watched Twilight and New Moon. It's just funny because, so my husband and I had seen Twilight, but we'd never seen the other movies. And I've just been seeing a lot of like TikToks recently in my feed about Twilight, like my For You page. And I was like, they're so funny. And I was like, why haven't we finished watching Twilight? So I was like, let's just watch it, even though it's cringy and weird. But anyways, I got a few comments on my Plan With Me video, because I talked about watching Twilight, and y'all were like, yeah, the books are kind of cringy too. I thought that was so hilarious. So I was saying, like, if you hadn't seen that video, I was like, maybe the books aren't as cringy. I feel like maybe the acting is the reason why the movies are so cringy. Some of y'all were like, yeah, the acting is kind of, the actors are kind of weird, and the books are a little better. But some of y'all were like, the books are kind of cringy too, but I like them. So, I don't know. I might still read the books just because, you know, I like reading. I love reading, so whatever. I don't know. We finally just decided to finish the Twilight Saga. So Wednesday we watched Twilight and New Moon. And then on Wednesday I also wrote that I was grateful for my gratitude was my doctor visit. I had a nice doctor visit because I had to see a new doctor. To get a pulmonology referral for my asthma, which is like so stupid if you ask me. Like, hi, I've had asthma for since I was 5 years old, so like, why do I need a freaking referral from a primary care doctor? Just what, you know, like, it's just annoying. Anyways, we just have new insurance, and then my usual pulmonologist doesn't take our insurance anymore, and so I had to go and see a primary care to get a referral, and I'm like, why? I've been puffing on inhalers for my asthma since I was 5. Like, I don't, anyways, whatever, stupid protocols. Anyways, but I was grateful. The doctor was really nice and he really listened to me. So, for Thursday, I'm just going to take a little thing and then a little alarm clock heart icon from the Giving Girl, and then a Dad's House script from Cozy Paper Co. to mark that my son went to his dad's house for the weekend. He stayed there from Thursday to Sunday. We picked him back up. So just mark that down there. And then I'm just going to take like this little tiny flag from the kit, and then this icon from My Planning Addictions that is a box of stuff, and it says donate stuff underneath it. I thought these were so perfect. I picked them up from the TPC sale just because we like occasionally will donate, you know, old clothes and old shoes and things like that, and I'll just drop them off at like a thrift store, or sometimes the like veteran, some kind of VA association or whatever will like come and pick them up, things like that. So and of course I'm just going to use more transparent dots from the Giving Girl because I use them all the time and I love them. So we just dropped some stuff off at Savers, which is like a thrift store. And then I'm also going to take a little thing and then this like baking icon from Cozy Paper Co. Because we made some brownies and they were so good, y'all. I made the Ghirardelli triple chocolate brownie mix. And I added like a few like clumps of peanut butter and just like swirled it around, marbled it in there with a knife. And marshmallows, but you don't put the marshmallows in the oven. Like first you cook the brownies and then when they're done, you'll pop the marshmallows on top and cook it for like just like 3 more minutes, 3 to 5. And it's so good. It's messy though, because the marshmallows are like really sticky, but it's so good. I even put it for my gratitude for Thursday. Amazing brownies. So anyways, those were good. Friday, I'm going to take some strips of washi from the kit, the like castle mansion, pretty building in the background, and I'm just going to use that as kind of like a background. You know, I was really running low on boxes for this kit. This is a mini kit, and usually mini kits are pretty good for me, but the thing was, there was actually 3 half boxes that I couldn't use because, well, I mean, I could use them, but the problem was that they were like, the clip art was wrong. It was for the wrong kit. Sorry, I don't know if I'm explaining that correctly, but I did kind of like show y'all in the pre-plan with me what I meant. She had like mixed up the clip art, and I didn't want to use them because, you know, it didn't match any of the boxes in the kit. So anyways, if I had been able to use those, that probably would have been enough. So anyways, I'm taking those so that I can go ahead and just put that I had updated my budget. So I'm taking a budget hashtag like a boss script from Banana Doodles, but she's known as like Coffee and Paper Co now, so formerly Banana Doodles. I just got that from like a Happy Meal, so I wasn't sure. I had to go look it up. And then a little cute like dollar sign icon from the Style Planner, just to mark that I had to update my budget. And then taking another TV and some more of those transparent dots from The Giving Girl, just to mark that we finished Twilight, because we had watched Eclipse and then part 1 of Breaking Dawn on Thursday, and I just didn't have like room to mark it, so I didn't mark it, but we did finish it. And then for my gratitude on Friday, I was grateful for being able to text my son, because he has his phone now since we got him a phone for his birthday. And so it's just nice to, you know, be able to text him when he's at his dad's house. Anyways, Saturday I'm going to start with a little thing and an asterisk from the kit, and then another Dad's House script. Again, he was over there the whole, like, all the way until Sunday, but I just didn't have room for Friday to write it in, so I just, you know, whatever. So he's at his dad's house. I just checked off my checklist, and then I'm going to take another pretty box. It's actually like a, you know, circular floral icon from Crafts by Thaowie. And then I'm taking this car with a wrench, because I did not have any kind of car icon at all. I checked, there's none in the kit. I didn't have any samplers, like nothing. I was like, oh, okay, what? Like, it just seems like something I'd have like a sampler of at least or something. I just need to go buy some car icons, you know, for maintenance and I don't know, stuff like that. But this is the only one I could find, and it has a wrench, which is not exactly what we did to our cars, but I needed a car. So my husband and I went and got our cars smog checked. And yeah, I don't even know who that sticker's from, unfortunately, because I had it like in my little Destash album. And so I don't know who that's from, but I do know that it's the only car that I had. It just sounds so surprising. I really need to buy some car stickers. Anyways, so that was for the smog check, and then I'm just going to take some dangly things to make it look pretty with the Giving Girl transparent circles, dots. There you go. That's the word. And then a pretty like flourish thingy. That's from Crafts by Thaowie. And then in my half box there, I just wrote in the movie that we watched, because we watch our little movie every Saturday, and we watched 21 Bridges, which is, we haven't watched like a grown-up movie with the family in a long time. It's rated R, but my son was at his dad's, so. And for my gratitude for Saturday, I wrote Chadwick, and that's because Chadwick Boseman from the Black Panther passed away, which I forgot to like put that in on Friday. So I'm just putting it like down below. I'm gonna take a little like sad face girl from, who's this from? Like Planners and On or something. Just putting R.I.P. Chadwick, Wakanda Forever. And 21 Bridges, actually, he stars in that too. I think that that was the last movie he starred in before he passed. Like the last movie he like, you know, was filming and stuff. It's just so sad. I mean, just taken way too young. I think he was only 43. Amazing actor, amazing person. Gonna be missed for sure. So I wanted to make sure to mark that in my planner. And then for Sunday, I was gonna take some strips of washi, but I decided to just use a little thing and another PSL from Cozy Paper Co. Just because we went and got some Starbucks on Sunday before we picked up my son. So I'm just writing S-Bucks for Starbucks. And then I'm going to take a hexagon bow icon from Dash with Designs, again from my freebie, because I have one of these on my freebie. And then I'm going to take a transparent heart, double heart icon from this Cozy Paper Co. Icon sampler. And just put it inside of the hexagon. I thought that'd be cute. Oh, sorry, pentagon. I thought it'd be cute. And then I have the script pickup on my freebie from Dash with Son as well. So I just wrote pickup and then put my son's name. So thought that worked out perfectly. I'm going to check off the to-do for the sidebar. And then on Sunday, I was grateful for my custom cup, because I did get an order in for a custom Starbucks tumbler. And I'm so excited to design it and then show you guys what it looks like. It's going to be my like Halloween tumbler. So excited. So anyways, that is everything for my memory plan with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up if you did, because it really helps me out, and I super appreciate your support. Definitely subscribe if you're not already, but you would like to be, because I have all of these videos that I make. I try to upload 3 a week for your enjoyment. So, you know, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of them. These shops I mentioned are all linked down below, But if you have a question about where I got anything, then feel free to even just leave me a comment and ask, or if you just want to say hi, I'll say hi back because I love responding to all of my comments and talking to you guys. I love being a part of the planner community. Anyways, I hope that y'all take care and have a wonderful rest of your week. Have a safe day, like literally a safe everything. Please, everybody, just stay safe. Wear a mask. Spread love, not germs. And I will see y'all in my next video. Take care, y'all. Bye.